Good morning, children. Okay, the previous session we are discussing about the relational operators and the operators in Python. Okay, relational operator, logical operator, and operator precedence. Sri Hari Abdul, switch on the video. So these are the operator precedents. That is okay. Here the important operators are the first one, that is parenthesis. After parenthesis, the high precedence is for exponentiation, that is double star. Then it is arithmetic operator. After the arithmetic operator, within that star, slash, floor division, and modulo. These are the first session of arithmetic operator. After that, addition and subtraction. Okay, so first it is bracket, then it is star star, then star division, floor division, then modulo. Then the precedence is for plus and minus. Then we need logical operators. Then a relational operator, not logical operator, it is relational operator. Here, relational operator or condition comparison operation. Then logical. These are the important operators needed for us. Okay. So first one, it is parenthesis. After that, exponentiation, that is double star. Then arithmetic operator, star, division, floor division, and modulo. Then plus minus. After that, relational operators. Then logical operators. These are the important operators that needed for our term 1 exam. Okay. So all these are these are the important operators. Okay. Then what is the difference between this normal division and floor division? Sri Hari, all of you switch on the video, children. What is the difference between that normal, slash, and double star? Sri Hari.
Which one, ma'am?
This normal division, that is single, slash, and double slash.
They will show only integers.
Which one?
Double slash.
Double slash is for integer division or floor division. Okay. Double slash, the name of the double slash, it is integer division or floor division. That means it will return a result only the integer part after division. Okay. Then in the case of normal division, that is division operator is used for our normal arithmetic division. That is, it include fractional part also. There is a difference between normal division, single slash and double slash. Okay, this is the division operator. This one, it is integer division or floor division. Then this is for finding the remainder. Modulo or remainder operator is for finding the remainder. Then relational operator, logical operator. Within that logical operator, the precedence is for not and or. Okay, within that the precedence is not and or. Okay. Write the first question. 2 greater than 21 and 20 less than 5 or 13 less than 18 and not 5 less than 14. Muhammad, Aryan, Achud, Aditya, switch on the video. Write the first question and do it fast. 2 greater than 21 and 20 less than 5 or 13 less than 18 and not 5 less than 14. First precedence is for bracket. So first do the operations inside that bracket. After that, relational operator, then logical operator. Okay, first preference is for brackets, then here no arithmetic operator. So next preference is for relational operator, after that logical operator. Ashwin, Aryan, Adul, switch on the video. Aditya completed.
Sure.
Okay. Aryan,
Not completed.
okay. Then we can do together. You just give the answer for this 2 greater than 21. What is the answer for 2 greater than 21, Aryan? Is it true or false?
False.
Yes, it is false. So here it is false. Then and. Then what is the result of 20 less than 5? Aryan?
False.
False. Okay. Then or 13 less than 18.
False. True.
True. Okay. True. Then and not 5 less than 14. Then here all these are logical operators. Here one relational operator is there. So first perform this relational operator because the precedence is high precedence is for relational operator. So after completing all the brackets, do the first relational operator. Only one relational operator is there. So perform that one. So here the result is false and false or true and not. What is the result of 5 less than 14, Aryan?
True.
Yes, true. So then here and is there, or is there, and not. High precedence is for which one? Among logical operators, how is the precedence, Aryan?
And as higher precedence.
And. No. Not and or is the precedence of logical operator. Okay. Not and or. Okay. So here not is there. So first you want to perform this not operation. Then what is the result of not true? Not true. What is the meaning of not, Aryan? Not is for just giving the result, just complement the term. That is, not true means false. Okay, Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so not true, it is false. So here the result it is false. Then what about the next one? Okay, Dia, continue.
F is 0 and is
Star.
multiplication. So 0 into 0 plus 1 into
That is F. Then or. Then here, first you want to perform here and or and. First precedence is for and. Okay. And or and is there. So first preference is for and. So first perform this F and F. F and F is F. Then here also true and F. What is true and F, Dia?
1 into 0.
That is 1 into 0. So the result is 0. So the result is false. Then finally calculate F or F. F or F means 0 or is plus. Then again 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. The result it is false. Is it clear, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
So here not true, the result it is false. Okay. Any doubt? Then do the second one. 10 greater than 5 and 7 greater than 12 or not 18 greater than 3. Do it fast. Gauri completed.
Yes.
Okay. Muhammad, Ashwin, Srihari, Shivani, switch on the video. Shivani, what is the result of 10 greater than 5, Shivani? Is it true or false? Shivani?
Ma'am,
10 greater than 5. What is 10
True.
greater? Ah, that is true. Okay. Then what about 7 greater than 12? 7 greater than 12?
and false.
Yes, correct. Then what about, so it is or, then not 18 greater than 3. So here and is there, or is there, not, then one relational operator. Which one perform first, Shivani? Here 3 logical operator and 1 relational operator. Check the precedence table. The high precedence is for relational operator. Then what is the result of that relational operation? Shivani? 18 greater than 3. What is the result?
True.
Yes, it is true. Then among this and or not, high precedence is for which operator? It is for not. Okay, Shivani?
Yes, ma'am. Not.
Then what is the result of not true? Not true. Not true means just like the word meaning, not true. It is not true. Then what is the result? If it is not true, the result it is false. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is false. Not true means it is opposite of true. Opposite of true means false. So the result it is false. Then here and is there, or is there. High precedence is for and. So true and false. True and false means true it is 1, and means it is star, F means it is 0. So 1 into 0, the result it is 0. So we write F. Then or F, that is 0, or means plus, again 0. So 0 plus 0, the result is 0. So the result it is false. Is it clear, Shivani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Achyut, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the questions based on, I think questions based on these expressions are very small questions related with 2 or 3 expressions or combining 2 or 3 expressions. Then next one based on some write the first question. First you write this one, second one. After that we can go to that first one. For x in 0, 1, 2, 3, for j in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, print star. How is the output? Here only print star is there. Then the first value of x it is 0. That is x value it is 0. When the x value is 0, first j value it is 0. At the time of first iteration, x value is 0. After that, the control moves to the next for loop and j is assigned with the first value, that is 0. So here it is 0. Then it will print the statement star. So it will print star. Okay. After that, it will move to the j loop. Then assign 1 to j and print star. It will print star at the next line. That is, here there is no end statement and here is no print statement after this one. Then the result will just display one after another in a new line. Okay. Of a normal print statement without an end statement, then it will print one by one. Okay. So here j, the value is 1. So it will print 1 star, then assign 2 to j, then it will print another star, then 3 star, then 4 star. After that, it will assign 1 to x. Okay. So at the time of 0, that is when the value of x is 0, it will execute 5 times this for loop. When x is 0, j is assigned with 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. After so 5 times this for loop will execute. After that, next value 1 is assigned to x. Same way 5 times it is executed. This j loop is executed with printing star like this. 5 star. Again 2 is assigned to x. 5 times this j loop will execute. So 5 star again. Then x is assigned with 3 value. So j 5 times this j loop will execute. So 5 star again. So here at the time of 0, 5 star. Then at the time of 1, 5 star. So 5, 5, 5, 5. So 20 star will appear. One by one. Okay. Here only print statement is used. Print star. If you are using print star, each of the value will appear one by one. Okay, that is print statement based on nested for, the first option. Then just write this one. For I in range 1 comma 4, for j in range 1 comma 4, print I comma j comma end equal to space.
Ma'am, which question, ma'am, next?
First one. Here one end equal to space is there. Here, how is the result? After each I and j, one space is there. All the result will appear in a single line with some space. That is the use of that end equal to space. Okay, so first the I value. What is range of 1 comma 4? Anyone? What is range of 1 comma 4?
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. So first the I value is 1. After that it will execute j loop. Here j value, it is first value, that is 1. Print I comma j means I it is 1, j it is 1. After some space j. Then it will assign 2 to j. Then it will again print ij. I value is 1, j value is 2. So it is 1, 2. Then after that j value is 3. So it will print I and j. I same I. So it is 1, j value is 3. After that I is incremented with 2. J is started with 1. So it is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. So here 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 3 is assigned to I, j value with 1, 2, and 3. So it is 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. It will appear in the same order. 3, 1, same line. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. So you just notice this print statement. Here only one character. Here I will show this one also. So here print I comma j. I want to print I value and j value. Along with this that print value, we are using end equal to. End equal to is used for assigning the delimiter between the I value or j value. Okay. So here after one, if I am using a star here, then after one star, 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 just like that. Okay, you can use any delimiter here. We can use ampersand symbol or modulo symbol or star symbol, any hyphen, any delimiters we can use here. So it will appear like this. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Achud, is it okay?
No, ma'am. Like when I'm running this code, I'm getting an output like 1, then 1, 1, then 2, 1, then 3, 1.
That is, here it is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, just like that. It's
No.
not the same?
I don't get like that.
Same way, I comma j end equal to star, end equal to space. One second. You just write this one. For I in range 1 comma 5, one comma 5, for j in range 1 comma 3, print ij. Here there is no end, then what is the output? Just calculate the output. Here there is no end and there is no print statement after this one. Then how is the result? The first one. Completed, Emmanuel?
No, ma'am, on the way.
Ashwin, Mohammed, Srihari, Abdul, switch on the video. Ashwin, what is the result of range of 1 comma 5? Ashwin.
1, 2, 3, 4, ma'am.
Okay. Continue. What is range of 1 comma 3? 1 comma 3.
12.
1, 2, not 12.
That's what that.
Okay, 1, 2. Then what is the first value of I, Ashwin? Here some space is there, okay. After 4, some indentation is there. So what is the first value of I, Ashwin?
1, ma'am.
Okay. Then after that, how is the control flow?
J.
J will execute. Then what is the value of J?
J is also 1.
J, it is 1. Then 1, 2, 1, 3. And again 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay. So for J in range, so here J value it is 1. Then what is print Ij? Print Ij means what is I and J, Ashwin?
1, comma 1, ma'am.
Not comma, it is 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1. Okay. After that, control will move to this 4J. So J value it is 2. So it will print 1 and 2, where the result will come. Here there is no end. Then where is the next value?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. It will appear here. 1, 2. The result will appear here. Okay, 1, 2. Because here there is no end statement and there is no print statement under this end statement, print statement. So here only using this nested loop, here I am using only a simple print statement. Okay, without end statement. So it will, after the first value, the result will appear here. That is 1, 2. Okay, after that, the control moves to the first for loop. I is assigned with 2. So I value it is 2. Then J, first value of J, it is 1. So 2, 1. It is the next result. Then after that, 2, 2. That is the next result. Then again, 3 is assigned to I. Then J value is 1. So 3, 1, 3, 2. Then 4 is assigned to I. J value 1 and 2. So 4, 1, 4, 2. Okay. Is it clear? So if there is no end statement and print statement after the nested for, then the result will, that is after completing the, after printing I and J, the next value is in the next line. That is just like that print star. When we print star only, the result will come just like star, 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 just like that. No, that's the same way. Print I comma J, 1, 1. I and J is printed first. After that, next I and J, next I and J, just like that.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what will happen if we write a print, just a print statement below the print I comma J?
Like this. This one, just like this one. Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do this one. Here, after printing the J loop, the next value will come in a new line. Okay. That is, after printing all the J value, that is after completing this J loop. Okay. Okay, Achyut? Okay, Achyut?
No, ma'am, I wanted to see this page again.
Okay, okay. So here, after completing the full iteration of J, a new line will appear. For that, I am using this print statement. That is, after completing, after assigning here 1, 3, it is 1, 2. Then first 1 is assigned to J. Then this print statement will execute. After that, 2 is assigned to J. The same print statement will execute and that result will come on in the same line. After that, the print statement, print empty bracket will execute. So next iteration, that is at the time of I is equal to 2, the result will come here, come in a new line. Okay. Once again, I will explain. Here, after print statement, one print empty bracket is here. So after completing the first iteration of J, that is assigning 1 to J, and after assigning 2 to J, a new line will appear. Okay. So here the result is the first value of I, it is 1. So here the first value of J, it is 1. So first result it is IJ means 1, 1. Then end equal to space means one space is there. After that, J value is assigned with 2. So IJ means 1, 2. So it will appear like this, 1, 2. Then, so this J is completed. Only two values are assigned for J. First value is 1 and second value is 2. Okay. So this J loop is completed for I value 1. For I value 1, J, if I is equal to 1, J values are 1 and 2. So after completing these two values, a new line will come. So next output is in a new line. Okay. So Ji is equal to 2. Again, I value 1 and 2. That is 2, 1, 2, 2. Then J value, I value it is 3. So 3, 1, 3, 2. Then 4, 1, 4, 2. Then only that one. Here it is 1, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the values. So 1, 1. That is, if I is equal to 1, the result is 1, 1, 1, 2. I is equal to 2, the result is 2, 1, 2, 2. Then 3, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 4, 4, 1, 4, 2. So after completing, if there is a print statement like this, after completing the J loop, a new line will come. Okay. Here this end equal to space is for giving space or delimiter between this value. That is, after I and J, we are giving a space or star. Okay. That is, end is equal to within single quotes a delimiter. This is for this end is equal to space is for this print statement. And if I am giving a print empty bracket here, after completing this J loop, a new line will come. Okay. Is it clear?
Ma'am, is it possible to write that simple print statement without writing the end?
End means here.
And what will happen if we write like that?
Here one statement is there without end. Without end and this one.
No, ma'am. End is not used, and after that we are writing print, that simple print. What will happen?
That is print I comma J, then print empty bracket, isn't it? So first it will print 1, 1, then next line 1, 2, then within that, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, then here two blank lines are there. After that 2, 1, 2, 2. That is, if there is no end, one automatically the output will appear in a new line. Then after that we are giving one print statement. So it will give a blank line. Okay. Is it clear, Emmanuel?
Sir.
Okay. Krishna. All of you switch on the video, children.
Yes.
What happened? Yes, Achyut. According to this one, isn't it, Achyut?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here, this is the output of first one. This is the output of second one. That is based on this program. This one.
So, ma'am, the one which is sent in the chat boxes, like the second one, we modified, right, without n.
This one, alle?
Yeah, without n.
Without end, okay. Without end and print statement, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the first output, it is, this one is the first output, then this is the second output. Okay. So this is the third output. That is after 1 1 and 1 2, two spaces are there. Just write that program also. That is print I comma j, after that print. Print I comma j, after that print. Write this one, third one. For x in 0, 1, 2, 3. Here the output is same, that is 1 1.
And third one.
Third one. You want to write the third one. For x in 0, 1, 2, 3. J in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Star and end is there. There is no print symbol, print statement, only star and end. Here 1 1 1. Completed, Adul? Adul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How is the result?
Star space 20 times.
Yes. Star. Star space star space star. 20 times. Okay. Then you do this one also. Here 1, 2, 3 are the range value. Here also 1, 2, 3. So ij means 1, 1 will print first. Then 1, 2 will print. Then 1, 3. After that 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay.
Ma'am, we are discussing the third one, yes?
The star representation is for third one. Star space is for third one. Okay, we can continue in the next class. Okay. Bye, children.